All right, babe, you're on video. Here's your, what is this? This is your first tarpon, right?
First tarpon.
Baby girl's first tarpon. Let's see if...
Woo!
Is he still on?
Yeah.
Good job, babe. How many casts before you caught your first tarpon?
I don't know, like 20.
Okay.
1,000.
I'm going to turn off this so that...
Just take it off.
I'm just going to turn it off so that we can get some good video of you. Look at the camera. How much fun is it to catch your first tarpon?
So fun.
You were pretty excited there, huh?
I can't believe
you set that thing like a man. You're like a little man child. You're like the LeBron James of tarpon fishing. First time out with her new little fishing pole. She's got her ugly stick. $80 from Costco came with the reel.
Yeah, baby.
And the tarpon's over here. So next thing you'll see is a snapshot of the tarpon. He's little, but he's a good size for Tiff's first fish.
Whoa,
Okay, bye-bye.